Hello everyone. Counterparty is not showing while creating a purchase order or order confirmation. In order to check this and fix this issue, let's go to the transactions module. Let's try to create a purchase order. Click on create document. Click on purchase order. Now select the supplier. Now there is a company which is added to your network or buyer supplier list, but still it is not showing you that company while creating the purchase order. There is a company, Akash Private Limited. I'm searching the company, but it's not showing me the result. So what can be the issue? Let's check it out. Let's open the buyer supplier module in the other tab. As you can see, Akash Private Limited is added into my network as a buyer while I'm creating a purchase order. So either I need to change the status to supplier or both. For that, click on this pencil icon. Under company details, click on edit. Change the type to either supplier or both and click on save. This is how you can fix the issue by changing the company type to either both or as a supplier. Now go back to the transactions module. Click on create document. Click on purchase order. Now I'll search Akash Private Limited again. Yes, it's showing me the result. Now, while creating OC, if you are not finding the counterparty, please check if the counterparty is there under your buyer list or both. Hope you find this video useful. Thank you. Have a good day.